This tutorial, I'll cover the basics of a platformer, which is like this. So right now it's laggy, but it shouldn't be laggy. So right now it's like this, and it should be like this once we're done. So we want to draw our level like this, and this is just for testing, so delete it after I'm finished. So also draw a square, which is like this, but make sure it's centered. And now delete my variable and rename and create a new one called y velocity, but make sure it's for this sprite only. And when green flag is clicked, we want to set y velocity to 0, and we want to go to x 200 y 0. Now we want forever and change x by key right arrow times 5. What this does is that it basically just so pretend right arrow is a variable, and if I press it and click it, it says true, but if I just click it, it says false. So when it's false, the variable is 0, but when it's true, it's 1. So 1 times 5 is 5, and 0 times 5 is 0. So we can use this to our advantage. Now drag in a touching color black and times -5. So this gives us wall detection, supposedly. And yeah, that gives us detection. And change x by left arrow times 5, and it should be -5, and this should be 5. So if we start our project, we can move left and right. That's great. Now we want a change y velocity by -1, and we also want to change y by y velocity. Now we want if and touching color black, then we want to change y by -1 minus y velocity. Now we want a change or a set y velocity to touching color black times key up arrow and times 14, which is your jump height. And now we want to change y by 1. And now you can test it. And yeah, this is it. I hope you enjoyed. And please like and subscribe and follow me. Bye.